The third device is essay writing. What do you mean by essay? In French, essayer is to try. Note down. Try to express yourself. Essay writing means try to express yourself in writing. Here it tests the writing skills. It tests the writing skills, in which we use good English, standard English, no mistakes in spelling, grammar and choice of words. In vocabulary also, we should not make any kind of mistake, that is writing skills. In essay writing, we can divide it intro, development of the passage, and conclusion. In brief, this is one of the ways to express our views on the topic given. This is important. But you have to conclude on your own. It should tell what you feel. What one feels is important here. In essay writing, we have to use paragraphs. Paragraph is also important depending on the topic of the paragraph. We have to change the paragraph. Any doubt?